Hello, everyone. Once again, this is Black Forex coming to you with another market analysis currency breakdown. We are going to be looking at the USDJPY. Once again, we're going to be looking at the USDJPY. Before we start to break down this chart and this Forex pair, we have to state that this video is for education purposes only. This is not for financial advice, but we all know why you guys are here. You guys are here to find good, credible Forex content that can help improve your ability as a trader and to help put some extra money in your pocket, especially in these troubling times. Okay. So with that being said, let's go ahead and dive into the fundamental analysis before we get started with the technical analysis. Okay. So the last time we had, we're going to be discussing the JPY. Last time we had any news about the JPY was actually, let us see, it was actually on April 27th, which was the latter part of the latter part of the trading week prior. We had some mixed news come out about the JPY that kind of put it on a mixed, but it kind of put it on a weaker side. But we also do have a lot of inherited weakness coming with the JPY, which is solely due to the inflation that is strangling the Japanese economy because inflation is crippling all the major economies of the world. Okay. But the thing about it that is also catalyzing the weakness of the Japanese yen is due to the kind of the lackadaisical or a laissez-faire approach that the Japanese government is doing to combat its inflation, and it's not doing very aggressively. And it's not because the Japanese government is stupid or anything; they're just being very, very cautious because the interventions that you will need to do, which is increasing your interest rate, if for one to combat inflation, can cause you to go in a recession from inflation to recession, and they don't want that possibility of happening. So what they're doing is kind of dragging their feet about how they're fixing it and doing a very slow, meticulous process. But with the slow, meticulous process going on, this means that the Japanese yen is going to be weak and remain one of our weaker currencies as we head into the middle part of this trading week. Okay. So the USD has been having a lot of news come out about it lately. We've been having more so negative news and positive news come out about the USD, which is starting to slow down its trajectory on the strength that it's been gaining. And it is coming into the middle part of this trading week as one of our stronger currencies, but the strength of that currency is almost like real lackadaisical due to the slowing of the trajectory, due to all the more negative news and positive news come out. We did get some mixed news come out earlier during the beginning of the just going into the New York session around 10 a.m. We did get some mixed news about what was going on with the USD, but we're still more so leaning on the slowing down of the trajectory of its strength gain to almost stagnating as well. Okay. So until we start to get some more actual positive news going on about the USD, we're going to continue to see the slowing down, the stagnation of its strength, which makes it prime for retracement, which we're seeing right here on the charts. Okay. Because to give you some background now with the technical analysis, this recently hit a 20-year all-time high. And what always must goes up must starts to go down. And as we can see here, just by looking at the breadcrumbs on the chart, that this move here is a lot smoother than these last two this up attempt move here. So we're definitely looking like we're slowing down and losing our momentum. Okay. So this chart is going to be due for retracement because it still looks like there's a strong possibility due to the position the Japanese government is taking towards combating inflation surrounding the Japanese economy, which affects the strength and the weakness of the yen, that we could still be on for long time buys, but we have to have some retracement come in because we can't continue to buy at all time prices because this is very high. So price has to drop. So how far can price drop? Price can drop as far as here, here, or even here before we start to see some retracement and then start going to the fundamental long position. Okay. So for the short to intermediate, we are going to be seeing some sell-offs with the USD JPY, but this is mostly going to be due to retracement. And if we do start to have some fundamental changes, the retracement can actually become much more aggressive. But if we start to have fundamental changes that's going to be sticking with us for a long time, we can easily start to see this as total price over. But for order for that to happen, we have to have a complete weakening of the USD, which is possible but not probable and not exactly at this time. Okay, so for right now, we're gonna have retracement, even standard retracement to intermediate retracement. So we're gonna have short term, short position intermediate going for some time. So like I said, we may drop to here, here, or possibly even here before we range out and continue to go to the long term position. So short to intermediary term, we're looking for shorts. More long term, we're looking for buys. Okay. If you guys appreciate our content, we invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Subscribing to our YouTube channel will allow you to get notifications and updates every time we drop new Forex and trading content. Also, please like and share our videos. Liking and sharing our videos also pushes our videos out there further into YouTube so we can continue to build our community of profitable traders because our goal is to build a community of profitable traders. Okay. And lastly, but not least, if you guys have any type of special requests that you guys want for any type of charts that you want broken down, I'm talking about stocks of the Forex pairs, metal, crypto, oils, futures, any charts that you guys want broken down, please reach out to us. You can reach out to us one of three ways. First way is by leaving a comment on any of the videos that you do watch. And also, what you can do is reach out to us via our email, or you can reach out to us through our various social media sites. Our email link and the link to our social media sites is listed in the description of every video. Please let us know what charts that you guys want to be broken down so we can know how to best to accommodate and to serve you. Okay. Well, now with that being said, happy trading.